Things have changed quite a bit in this Floral Fantasia area at the Royal Horticultural Society garden at Hyde Hall since we were showing you all that summer colour. But we're underway for the next season. And we're down here under the environment. We've got next year's sweet peas coming through. A bit of protection for them. They were very popular through the summer, sent in the gateway. But you can have winter colour. I mean, look at this Pittosporum, beautifully shaped. You don't need to trim it or anything. That lovely colour right the way through the winter. And how about these quite remarkable garden pinks? Fragrant. This one, pink ruffles, particularly well scented. But just look at the flower buds still on it in November. Little flower from June right the way through, pretty well until Christmas. And then there's the white, equally fragrant, and across the way here the third in the series, this one called Red Carpet. Not quite so scented as the other two, but all three have fragrance. So we now have spray carnations with really good scent. Fantastic. And how about this? Alongside another one of the Pittosporum silver ball, this is a really remarkable plant. A new hybrid primula. Looks like the ordinary common primrose, but a much deeper yellow, and this will flower pretty well non-stop right round till next May. Give that a few more weeks and that'll be quite a show of colour. The grasses too are quite useful, just to give us a bit of height. And if you want colour in a container over winter, then what about this Senecio, Angel's Wings? I don't know how hardy that's going to be, but boy, it's a real eye catcher. Another patch of the Primula Everlast, coming from Rudy Ray's in Belgium. But I think the star plant here for us, flowering since last May, has been this new introduction of straw flower. It's called Granvia Gold. We'll be showing you that and talking about that quite a lot, I think, in the next 6 or 9 months. It's a stunning garden plant. Again, flowers from May right through until December. And we have thousands of bulbs to plant now in the rest of the area.